Excavator tyre installation. First-class tyres deserve first-class mounting. The installation work of Nokian tyres should be carried out strictly according to instructions to prevent any risk of injury or damage to the tyres and equipment. The little extra effort pays off with a long, trouble-free tyre life and safe working environment, plus the satisfaction from doing the best possible job. Here's the correct procedure for installing the Nokian excavator tyre. Before mounting, check that the rim is clean and in good condition. Make sure that the rim is suitable for excavator use. The Nokian excavator tyres are developed to withstand high static loads that exist in excavator use. The rim must meet those requirements. Generally speaking, rims designed for agricultural trailer use don't have sufficient load capacity. If in doubt, always consult the rim manufacturer. Check that the tyre is of correct type. Mistakes can happen. Also, check the tyre for any manufacturing defects and make sure that the bead area that sits against the rim is in perfect condition. At this point, you should decide whether the tyre is meant to the right or left side of the vehicle. Observe the direction of rotation marked on the tyre. Apply some grease to the inside of the tyre and to the inside bead that goes towards the assembly machine. Apply some grease to the outer side bead area of the tyre. Grease properly the inside of the rim as well as both rim flanges and the bead area. This ensures that the tyre can easily slide over the flange to the mounting groove. Drive the first flange of the rim inside the tyre. Press the tyre gently and rotate the rim. First, attach a small mounting clamp to the rim flange right from the valve hole. Make sure to tighten it properly. Rotate the rim about 90 degrees and attach the bigger mounting clamp developed by Nokian tyres. The correct distance between these two clamps equals the distance between 4 lugs. Make sure to tighten the second clamp properly as well. Check one more time that the bead area is greased well. Add grease if needed. Rotate the tyre so that the small mounting clamp is at the top. Drive the mounting head between the rim and the tyre bead. Press the tyre with the mounting head to pull the bead into the rim assembly groove. Make sure the tyre bead stays in the rim assembly groove by pulling the mounting head slightly downwards. This is very important to ensure correct mounting. Rotate the rim while moving the mounting head smoothly up, down and sideways to help the bead slip over the rim flange. Press the side tyre wall a little to make the mounting clamp easier to remove. Then detach the mounting clamp. Pull the mounting head off with the help of a bar. Make sure it doesn't damage the bead area. Next, fill the tyre to the correct bead seating pressure. Take extra care not to exceed the pressure indicated by the tyre markings. Then attach the valve core and inflate the tyre to the final pressure in a safety cage. Finally, attach the valve cap and the possible valve shield, and you're all set. A first-class job.